Hello everyone. So today in this video I will show you how you can get free web hosting for your WordPress website. So this is the website. I will provide you the link in the description. So here you can go this free web hosting. I will give you this link in the description box and comment pin. So here you can see free web hosting plus SSL certificate for first 6 months, and even after that the hosting cost is $1 per month and 80 rupees per month for the Indian customers. So this is the most cheapest rate of web hosting available anywhere on the internet. Okay, so grab this opportunity right now. So before proceeding with that, make sure you have already added your domain name, and if you don't know how to change your domain name servers, then you can just click on this link and watch this video tutorial. These are the name servers you need to change. So the name servers will be provided in this page. Okay, and if you don't have a domain name and don't know how to buy a domain name, then just click on this link to watch tutorial on how to buy a domain name. So here you can just check, enter the details for your free web hosting to start your free web hosting. So it only requires your name, your email, your domain name and country, and confirm that you have already added the above given name servers. Also agree that you will pay $1 or 80 rupees INR after 6 months only if you continue. If you want to stop your website after 6 months, then no cost will be charged. So thank you for your request. Your hosting will be ready within 1 hour and detail will be sent to your email ID. Okay, so these are the basic details about web hosting and WordPress website hosting. So this is the best opportunity to start your website at low cost, because you will get almost free hosting, not almost but free hosting for first 6 months, and even after that this is near about free, because $1 per month is a negligible rate. So after 6 months you can renew your monthly hostings from this link, or also you will get the email for renewal or subscription. So as I am already logged in on this website, so you just need to go to this button, and here you can see that monthly subscription for web hosting plus SSL certificate is $1 for per 30 days. Okay, and also you can change the currency. If you are an Indian customer, you just need to click on this INR and it will become 80 rupees for 30 days. Okay, so let me show you how you can renew it. First for USD. Okay, so change it to USD in this currency button and click on this subscribe for monthly web hosting, view cart, and then this will show the cart. Okay, so here you can see all details are same. You can enter any coupon code if you have, and then click on proceed to checkout. So as I already logged in, so it is showing my details. Otherwise you have to fill here. If you're not logged in, then it will register you automatically. Okay, so in additional information you can enter your domain name, or otherwise they will track you with your email ID, because you use same email ID for the payments and same email ID for starting free subscription. Okay, so here two options, debit or credit card or PayPal for USD. So as you are using USD, so you can use these methods. Okay, so just click on it and it will show you the PayPal interface. So you have to proceed with payments, but as Indian to Indian customers, PayPal is not supported. So for Indian customers we have integrated Razorpay payments. So let me just remove this. Also after this payment your subscription will automatically renew, and also later in this video I will show you how you can manage your subscription. Okay, so I just removed the USD order. So here let me show you how you can check the INR payments or Indian rupees payments. So select the Indian rupees and click on subscribe for monthly web hosting, then view cart, and same again like proceed to checkout. Okay, so in this you can see all details are same. just the amount and currency changed. So you need to select Razorpay for Indian customers and then subscribe to monthly web hosting. Yes, that's it. Now it will send us to the payment page. Yes, and here you can choose your preferred payments like UPI, PhonePe, Paytm, cards, net banking, wallet, etc. and just click on pay now. So your subscription will start right after that. So as of now I am closing it. Your subscription will start right after the payment, and also you can track your subscriptions in this. Let me show you. You need to click on your account button and then click on subscriptions page. So here you will find all your running subscriptions. Like as of now I have no subscription because this video is for demo purpose only. Okay, so I will put all these links in the description. Start your free web hosting from today and use it anyhow you want. So share this video with your friends. Thank you.